Hi, welcome to the daily analysis with volume profile, price action, auction theory. Today is February the 15th. As I always say, it's only for educational purpose. It's not a recommendation for trading. Let's start with Dow Jones. Dow Jones, let's see, we are here at 34,028 about, and let's see the targets. Higher targets, first step, this high volume node 34,072. Next step will be the current weekly VPOC at 34,174. About lower targets, we are in this price action zone, and first step will be the lower zone of this rectangle that it's exactly on the old VWAP line and 33,928, and the second step will be this all weekly VPOC at 33,797. About S&P higher targets, this downtrend line, it's true, yesterday was broken in a sudden move because of the publication of relevant data. And now, what are the targets? First step, this high volume node is very close to this downtrend line, so the first step will be this node 4,135. Next step, current weekly VPOC at 4,144. Talking about lower targets, here there is a high volume node, final of a VWAP, all weekly VPOC. If it breaks, it could go to first this price action zone, lowest point of yesterday at 4,103. Let's mark it, and then this high volume node at 4,090. About Nasdaq, higher targets, first step, this high volume node very close to this downtrend line. It's about 12,588. Let's see what happens if the price hits this downtrend line. A second step would be this high volume node about an daily naked VPOC at 12,702. Talking about lower targets, first step and the main place would be this price action zone, clear lower target at 12,418. About light oil, we had this target on Monday. We couldn't touch this point, and we don't know if it's only a pullback to this area where is the weekly VPOC of last week. Very important point. Yesterday we marked it with a rectangle, the zone between 77.59 to 77.98. About higher targets, very clear. This point, the weekly VPOC, and the daily, this is a naked VPOC on 79.79. About lower targets, if we break this support, we could go to this price action zone, this rectangle that begins at 77.3 to 76.10. Okay, these are the targets. Let's jump to gold. Okay. Gold, yesterday we talked about this ABC possible structure, and we have this target that today has touched. It's on 1844. Next step would be this next relevant zone, this high volume node at 1823. Talking about higher targets, first step for me, well, I think it's very clear because it's a high volume node. Exactly here, this weekly VPOC at 1870. Next step, this price action zone that ends on the higher zone on 1885. Okay, let's see DAX. Okay, DAX. We are just above this weekly VPOC. Next step, this all price action zone, or not as all, in this point, 15,520. Next step will be this price action zone, maximum of this week. That is exactly on this high volume node. It's on 15,563. Talking about lower targets, first step, this zone, this rectangle, if it breaks the lower zone, that it's on 15,415. Next step will be this high volume rectangle and the price action zone on the great support on 15,305. Last step will be this high volume node, huge high volume node at 15,176. Well, that's all. Good luck and see you tomorrow. Bye.